Good morning, everyone. Todd here. It is April 30th, 2024. It is 8:11 a.m. here in Las Vegas. I just took a short in NVDA. 30 contracts in my real money account, 174-74196. You can verify that in the upper right-hand corner. 30 contracts require a $33,000 investment when the option premium is $11. It's $1,100 per contract. So let me first say this is not a trade for a new TSL trader. The spread between the bid and the ask is way too wide. There's no way that you can institute a 15-cent stop on a trade like this. The option premium is way too expensive for a new trader. And NVIDIA moves way too damn fast for the new trader. This is for TSL traders with lots and lots of experience. Okay, so I'm taking this trade because I looked over, I was at my work computer, I looked over at my trading computer, I saw a setup that I like. I immediately drew that green line, that green horizontal line across the price chart because that's where I think the price is going. So I took the trade, got filled at $11 even, starting to go in my favor. What I'm looking for here is a quick 10% return on my money. You know, $1,100 a contract times 30, that's $33,000. I'm looking for at least $3,000 on my money in a matter of minutes. I think this price is going to drop quickly. Frankly, I'm a little bit late to the party. I should have been in at a better price, but whatever. I'm not getting scared out of this move that I believe is very likely to happen. If I didn't think that, I wouldn't get into the trade. I mean, let's use common sense here. So here we go. It's moving now. What's it? 33.75 is a $12.15 price. That gives me exactly 10% on my money. So that's where my target will be. Let me move my mouse up a little right there. Now I want to say something. I'm looking for a spike right here, frankly, before I hit, click my mouse. I'm not looking to grab every nickel out of this trade, or they're not even nickels, they're $100 bills, when it moves like this. I'm not shooting for 3,900, 4,100, whatever. I'm looking to hit my profit target and get out. I want to get filled. So I'm waiting for a little spike here. I just put my order in. Let's see if I get filled. There we go. All right, I'm out. So there you have it. 10% return in about 3 minutes. If you want to learn how to do this, go to wealthbuildersinstitute.com. Talk with you soon.